How to delete call history from emo account. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skydeck Studio. So if you want to delete any individual or all call history from your emo account, then here's how we can do this process. Super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to delete emo call history, you just need to open up the emo app from your phone, and from the emo homepage, go ahead and tap on this contact option at the top right. Now once you're here inside the contact, you'll get to see the call history. You just need to tap on this, and here it's going to show you all the audio and video call history that you have done on your account so far. Now to delete one of these, you can go ahead and press and hold that, and you'll get to see the delete option. You can go and tap on these, and the specific call history will be deleted. But if you want to delete all call history, then you can go and tap on this three dot line at the top right and then go and tap on clear. And once you do that, go and tap on delete. This will be delete all the call history at once. And this is how you can delete call history on your emo. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.